Guys, it's Emily, and today I made 2 new batches of slime. This is not made from eye contact lens solution. This is made from borax glue water. I was making a video, but I wasn't making a video, but it was on pause. Like I wasn't even recording the whole entire time. I was like so sorry. So, but actually, this is slime and this is putty because with this one it was really sticky. And I'm like, oh, what if I add more borax? But that was a mistake. It actually turned into putty, which was really good. But first it was so sticky. I'm like, oh my gosh. I was like hitting my way to the bathroom to throw it away, but I kept needing it, and I was like, oh my gosh. It was taking off the stickiness. Well, here's a little bit off my hands. I'm like, this is putty, and I'll be selling it. Like if you're my cousins and if you go to my school, I'll be selling slime and putty. So yeah, this is my slime, this is my putty. So let me show you my slime first. I used crazy art glue. I didn't use Elmo's glue. So this is actually, see, it does not stick. I don't know if you could hear it because I have a laptop. Not a laptop. What am I saying? A tablet. So let's see if you could hear it. Kendra, can you please turn that down?
I'm Kendra.
Okay, Kendra.
Why? Because you have a friend at school, and and her name's Kendra.
So
Jeez.
So I promise this is actually homemade slime. As you can see, there's a mess everywhere because like we dropped glue and everything. So my sister's just playing her game Pixel Gun.
And I'm tricky.
Okay, so let's on to my putty. With my putty, I use crazy art glue. I used the same bottle, and they look, for some reason this one has like a lighter color. I don't know because I put the water too much. As you can see, this one doesn't go in that fast. I'm gonna take this out. It's like a square shape because of the container. So if you're watching and you come to my school or you're a cousin, when you buy slime from me, you have to give me a container. I will not be giving away containers. Not because my mom's like, Emily, you can't. It's that we can, because we have old containers that we don't use anymore that we're gonna sell. But I like using the containers to store my slime, because if I don't have any containers where I'm gonna store my slime, then we have to go to places, and then while we go, my slime could like go everywhere. So you can see the difference of putty, and putty's not runny. It's not running. And this is slime, and you see how funny this is. I made slime first. I made this first, then this. I used the rest of the crazy art glue.
Oh, I can sit on my leg.
It's like what time is it?
Sit on my leg.
It's 12:15. So at night, it's dark outside. So it's basically morning, but it's dark outside. So as you can see, look at the difference. Let me put them next to each other. I think you're able to tell which one's the slime and which one is not.
The battle.
I already touched it, but this is the slime and this is the putty. I don't know why this one has like less white color than this one, and I used the same bottle.
Yeah, you're gonna die.
Okay.
Die, kitty. Soon I'm gonna lose you, then you're gonna die. Hi.
It's Monday today, I guess. So, and her school.
Wait, today's Monday? Oh my gosh,
well, it's 12:15, so
school.
no. Tomorrow's, I think it's like Abraham Lincoln's birthday.
For real? I thought I just passed. It just passed, Emily.
Well, we have no school on Monday, that's how you know. So, I will be selling slime. I will be selling crunchy slime. All that. And I'll show you the beads. And if you don't like the beads, you could go to the store. I'm not girl. I'm not gonna go to the store to get the beads you want. You have to give them to me by your own. I'm gonna have beads whether if you like them. I'll put those beads, or you could get your own beads, and I'll put the beads in there. So, and I'll make sure if you order slime, that you actually get slime instead of putty. And don't be like, oh my gosh, I'm not gonna order slime for her because she touches the slime, and like some people are gonna be like, I'm not gonna get slime from her from school because like she's touching the slime. Like, ew. Well, I have to touch the slime. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna need it. So people from online will have to do that too. You don't think they're gonna be like, oh, machine and everything? Like, well, I guess if I put gloves, well, your hands do kind of smell when you play with borax slime.
Cat, are you evil?
So I was just making some slime because I was very, well, not very, very bored. But today was like awesome because me and my sister made it basically. I'll show you one right now. So click on this one.
The battle.
We made that today. This has 9 likes.
Wait. Roses are
red. My favorite.
There's a lot of people that change.
This has 5 likes. Okay, that's enough.
Emily, the people that pay.
Oh, and shout out to this video, La Toya Forever. But she actually made me like help my slime, but she wasn't here. But like I was inspired by her video because like I would make slime from this recipe with Google. Like it says, get a bowl, put your glue, your borax, and water. But with her, she actually had 2 bowls. First, like in one bowl, you had glue and water, right? Stir that, and then the other bowl, you had your water and borax solution, and then you would slowly stir the water with the borax solution with glue. So I was and this actually turned out, because the last time I made it, I used clear glue, but actually it turned into this like bouncy slime. I still have it. It's like putty. I have to heat it up for it to be like slimy, kind of ishy. And tomorrow, my mom should be taking us to Walmart. Not Walmart. Well, probably like the dollar store, the 99-cent. Oh, sorry.
Oh.
Because we could get some more glue and like some food coloring.
And like, guess what Kenny said?
And all that kind of stuff.
Guess what?
What's kitchen?
No, not candy. Ugh, why am I saying, you know what we should have do instead?
So, yeah. I'm going to be making another video on how I'm going to make I'm going to have a book. And in my book, I'm going to have a list of slime and a list of names. So each page is going to be what the slime is for and the people who want the slime and the price.
Huh? What the heck are you doing to him?
Make sure you watch the upcoming video so you can know the prices of the slime and the putty, and like what kinds of slime and what kinds of putty. So yeah, hope you guys have an awesome day or night if you're watching this at night, and hope you have a blessed day. God bless you, and
hope you darn.
If you want slime, please leave a comment
below.
Below. And if you have a YouTube channel or something, I'll try to contact you and ship it to you. I hope it does not melt on the way over there if you live in a hot area, or if it's in a cold area. I don't know.
Why are you smacking my butt?
No, I'm not. Oh, I'm not smacking your butt. My hands are right here. Oh, my leg's on your leg.
Oh, I mean, why are you smacking my butt with your legs?
Ugh. So, hope you guys enjoy
I'm gonna
the
go in the
video.
helicopter.
Please give this video.
My mother just
Okay, a
smacked
thumb.
me.
Okay. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Goodbye.